I'm going to share how you can add a Facebook pixel to your Shopify website so that you can track different events. It's very easy to set up. I'm going to show you right now how you can do that. So the first thing that you want to do before we even get into the Facebook part, you want to go to the App Store. And if you don't already have this downloaded, you want to download the Facebook and Instagram app. Now, there's a lot of apps here, so you don't want to get confused. It's this app right here, Facebook and Instagram. So let's just go ahead and install it real quick. So we're going to click on install like this. All right, so now it's going to ask for some permission. So we're going to go ahead and click install like this. Okay, so once the app is downloaded, you're going to see a screen like this. It's going to show a bunch of information about the app, different things that you can do, a lot of helpful information here. But now that we've got everything downloaded, we want to go to Facebook and get this pixel up and running. So now what we want to do is you want to go to your business.facebook account. You want to go to your events manager. Okay, so now that we're on our events manager page, now we want to go to the left side here and connect a data source. We want to click this data source here so that we can actually get our website to start tracking these events. So we're going to click on web like this, click on connect. And for this example, you can type in Facebook pixel, you can type whatever you want. Here, we're going to put Facebook pixel like this. We're going to create this new data set. All right, and now we're going to add our website link. So let me come in here like this. Okay, let's copy this. Come in here. I'm going to type this in, paste it right here. Paste it here. Okay, so you're going to paste your link in there. It's going to just check to make sure that it's a real website. It's checked. Now we're going to click on next. So now you can either do it yourself or get guidance. If you feel like maybe you need some extra guidance, feel free to choose that option as well. For this example, we're going to do it yourself like this. So we're going to click this. Choose how to connect your website. You want to use the MetaPixel and the Conversions API. It's just a good way to get as much information as possible. And it's also recommended. So this is how you want to connect to your website through Facebook. You want to choose this option right here. So click on next. And you also want to set it up with the partner integration. All this means is you want to connect it with a different source or a different app. In this case, we're connecting it with Shopify. You might be connecting it with WordPress or a different type of partner, but you want to use this partner integration. It's very simple, very easy to do. And so that's the option that you want to click. So click on next like this. Now again, you see here it says WordPress API, all these different things. We want to use Shopify. Okay, so once you hit this page, now you want to connect your Shopify website. So if you don't have this already downloaded, you would come in here like this. You would click on Get Started. You would make sure all this information is set up here. Now, because this is a test store, I don't have Shopify payments activated, but on your website, you would already have this activated. So you would go through all these steps, you connect your business, your Facebook business account, everything will be set up and good to go. So for this example, I'm just going to click on I've completed the setup on Shopify, but you want to make sure that you've done that on your side as well. So now you click on next, verify your pixel is working correctly. All right, so now we're going to come back here, we're going to copy this link again. We're going to come here to the net manager like this. We're going to send test traffic. So now we've sent some test traffic to our website here. And when you send some test traffic, it may take a while. So what I do recommend doing is refresh it once or twice and wait like 5 minutes just to make sure that the pixel is connected correctly and everything's working. So after you've set up everything and you've confirmed that your pixel's connected, now what you want to do is you want to come here to your pixel and click on test events. We want to create some test events now to make sure that everything is set up correctly. So we're going to come on test events like this. Confirm your website's events are set up properly. So now it says to run a test, enter website's URL. So we're going to come back here to our website. Copy this link. We're going to paste this link in here like this. We're going to click on open website. And now what we want to do is we want to create some test events. So if we come back here, you'll notice it says, for example, add an item to your cart or simulate a purchase. So we're going to do that right now. So come here, we're going to click on our website link. Let's click on shop now. Let's select the product. Let's add it to the cart. Now let's click on checkout like this. Okay, good. So we have everything here. So now we have this product added to the cart. Okay, so we have our product added to the cart. Now we want to go back and make sure that our product is in the cart. So let's see here to make sure our product is in the cart. Okay, yes, it's in the cart. So we want to go back now to our Facebook events. Now, again, because I'm using a development store, you're not going to see any information here, but on your website, because you have a live website, you have your Shopify payment set up, you're going to see all the actions here. You're going to see the product added to the cart. Everything is going to be laid out here. So I hope this video was a little bit helpful for you to see the process of adding a Facebook pixel. If you need help doing this, if you need any extra steps, any extra help, I'll be more than happy to help out. Feel free to send me an email if you have any questions. But once again, I hope this video was helpful and thank you.